Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the My Passion for Craft box, the October edition to unbox and review in this video. It's priced at ₹4.99 including shipping and it's my favorite edition because it's a BYOB edition, guys. You can actually choose all the products you want to receive out of a whole lot of options. So I'm very excited about this edition. Let's quickly get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
Well, I could not keep myself from opening this box, so I've already opened this. It's the first product and it's a very cute storage container or storage rack. It has all these racks and you can keep, it's not a plastic material, it's called sunboard. I asked her and it's pretty sturdy. If you're not keeping something very heavy, it's gonna keep it very safe and secure, and it looks so cute. It actually looks like something that you would get from Home Shop or all those places which keep such cute home decor things, and you can just keep it in a corner and it looks so nice. It will just brighten up the place with all these attractive colors, and I think this is very well made. You can also see that up close. Very well made. You can keep it on a table, on a rack or anywhere with one more thing, maybe a small cup or a small showpiece, and it would look amazing. And there is no way I can explain how many ways you can use it. You can use it as a jewelry storage rack, craft storage rack, so many things to use this for. So this one is my favorite product in the box. One of the favorites probably because there are so many good things. And the next thing is this multi-purpose storage holder or something like that. It has these jute wires wrapped around it and this woolen thing. It looks very cute, guys. It really looks very nice. If you keep this on your table as a pen stand or anything as such, this is gonna look so great. I really like the finishing of this, and again, this is a great product. And of course, I chose it myself. You can choose whatever you like. These are the things I have chosen. I'll show you all the choice options as well in this video, and you will love all of them. You would want to have 2 boxes this month because you are not happy with the 6 products in one box. So moving on to the third choice, this is what I chose, and it comes in a very nice packaging like this. And this is actually a stone which is inside. This is a paperweight which is made out of a stone and it says smile. You can customize it. You can choose the color, the word that's written on the stone, and this you can use it as a paperweight or as a just a decorative piece, whatever you like. And I really liked it. She sent a Sonam stone like this before for my birthday and I loved it, so I chose this again from the options and I do like it. Then next I chose a very cute pouch like this with pom-poms. It looks so nice and colorful. It's a jute pouch and this is how it looks from inside. Very good quality and quite a good size as well. You can keep a lot of things inside this. So yes, I like this too. And then I chose a bookmark, a very nice colorful bookmark. You can have simple bookmarks without anything written on it, but I chose to have a bookmark with a quote, and this is what she sent. It says Veni Vidi Amavi, and I think it means we came, we saw, we loved, and I totally love this. It's so nice, in a way inspiring as well, so I love this one too. And the last product I chose is a beautiful craft or wall hanging like this. So this is how it goes. It has all the elephants and a bow on the top. So you just hang it from any corner of your house or any place which is kind of looking boring, and this product by itself will just light up that corner of the room and it will look so pretty. I love such products, so I'm very happy with that one too. All the products are very well made. Finishing wise, they are great. They don't look like something that has been handmade by an amateur. They look really professionally handmade products, and I personally loved all the things that I received, and these are the things that I liked and wanted to use, so that's why I chose them. But here are all the options for you guys, so you can choose whatever you like, and I'm sure you're gonna love more than 6 products out of all the options available in this month's edition. For a price tag of just $4.99 including shipping, I think this is definitely a great box. If you're a craft enthusiast like me, if you like craft items, you're gonna love this box for sure. I did like it and I will give this a big thumbs up. And since it's a BYOB box, it had to win my heart for sure. If you guys liked it too and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. You'll also find the link to the giveaway running on my channel, so if you haven't already, then please do check it out and participate. It's very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and you can win an amazing gift hamper from Zobag. We are also gonna hit 10k very soon and there is an amazing and huge giveaway awaiting all of you guys. So stay tuned for that. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then what are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.